Right. So I'm sorry for being late. I had some technical issues, so things are fine now. All right, can you hear me? Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, good evening. Hope you've had a great week. Today we're going to go through this last lesson for this academic year, and I have selected a few great exercises for you to cover some key components of your course book. So somehow this lesson is going to be divided into 4 parts. We're going to have a reading passage from the very beginning. Then we go to some grammar section, so some exercise in the grammar section, and then vocabulary, and finally writing. So all of this is sort of revision. Just I want you to go through these exercises thoroughly. Be patient with me. نحاول بالصبر اليوم. في تمارين كثيرة. I hope you've brought your notebooks, okay, and your pen or pencil with you, okay. Ready? So of course I'm going to start with the reading first. All right. The reading comprehension, because it takes a bit of time, we're going to need about 15 minutes. So we have this text in front of you, okay. I would like you to take, let's say, 15 minutes, all right, 15 minutes to read this text, all right, and answer the questions on your right. Can you hear? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Now, yes, okay. Good. Now, as I told you, this is a reading. I'm going to start with the reading passage. I would like you to take 15 minutes, please. Take things seriously. This is a good practice for you. Read the texts, and you have the questions on your right. So 15 minutes. Do you think 15 minutes are enough for you? Okay. Shall we start? So let's start with the reading first, and then you'll move to the grammar, vocabulary, and writing exercises. I hope you will enjoy this. I selected great exercise for you. So start. You have 15 minutes to read this text and answer the questions on your right, please. Yalla, come on. So try. Okay, if you have some difficulties, we can use your dictionary, but I don't really recommend using dictionaries at this stage. Try to understand, but if you're stuck, use the dictionaries to understand. Yalla, go ahead. 15 minutes now. The stopwatch is on. Good luck. Please mute your mic. So there's somebody who's got the mic is on. Yeah, okay, thank you. Any questions? If you have any questions, let me know. Of course, can write or type it in the chat window. Of course, if you encounter any difficult word Don't be stuck. Of course, try to understand the general meaning of this passage, please. Still about 10 minutes. Of course, if you are done, let me know, okay? We can start earlier. Good. So then let's keep for 4 minutes. Let's keep the time for 10 minutes. Anyway, so still 4 minutes, and we go through the answers. If you're done. If you need more time, of course, let me know. Okay. 2 minutes and a half. Very good. So this text is basically about what? Yes. So if you are done, we can proceed. Very good. And change that happened in the city itself. Yeah. Of course, Detroit is a famous American city, and this is a factual article. So about things that really happened in that city, and we're going to see what are the changes that took place. Anyways, if you are done, so no problem, we can start. So some questions are somehow easy. The first one, yes. The areas where people live outside of a town or a city, yes. Very good. So these are suburbs. Yeah, suburbs. Okay. Then number 2, the state of being very poor. Yes, poverty. What it means. So what does a suburb mean? For example, if you live in the Manama city, so this is the center of Manama. If you go to, let's say, Busaitin or let's say Deir, these are the suburbs of Manama. Means the villages or the residential areas that surround a large city. كما نقول احنا الأحواز المناطق المحيطة بالمدينة. Okay, this is called suburbs. So many people prefer to live in the suburbs. Why? It is quieter, maybe it's safer. So that maybe it is quite okay. It is quite. They are quite far from the city center, but they can provide a better lifestyle. The second one, poverty. You know what poverty is, of course. So the opposite of poverty is, what is the opposite of poverty? Yeah, we need a noun. What's the noun? Rich is the opposite of poor. But what's the noun of rich? Richness. Very good. Very good. Number 3, violent actions by a large group of people. Okay, riots. Yes, riots. So there's a missing yes. Yeah. Then number 4, yeah, to destroy a building. Yes, to demolish. To demolish a building. Demolish. Okay, to destroy means. And the last one, not able to pay money that you owe. Yeah. Bankrupt. Yes, very good. Bankrupt. You know what bankrupt is? For example, if a company fails to pay its employees, we say the company is bankrupt. هذه بالعربية مفلسة. إفلاس. Okay. So this is the status where that city of Detroit reached. So it reached a very desperate situation because of many problems, because of this riots, there's increase of suburbs, people left the city. This is, of course, wasn't a good situation. Now, what happened? Circle the right option then. In the city of Detroit, which one the answer? Things now are better than before, things are the same as before, or things are worse than before? Yes, it's A. Things are better than before. Now we can see what happened. Okay, so people are coming back. Yes, there's more business. The government is encouraging people to invest. Okay, so it is safer. When you have safety, people come back. If there's no safety, people will not be able to live in such a place and cannot even invest. Answer these questions. Okay, C. What does the pronoun they in paragraph 1 refer to? Okay, they refers to workers. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, how did Detroit encourage not large businesses? Yes. How did Detroit government encourage not large businesses? Yes, the investors. How did they encourage them? Yes, small businesses. Yes, very good. So it gave $10,000 to 30 new small businesses. They give them money. They want them to start. Yes, when you have business, okay, you have job opportunities. So people find jobs. People will be encouraged to stay in the city, and this will improve their lifestyle. Very good. Number 3, find the word in the last paragraph that means very bad. Find the word in the last paragraph that means very bad. Okay. There's another word. Very good, but the worst. Okay. Terrible. Terrible. Okay, this is the word, terrible situation. Okay, another reason is second line is that in 1967 there were terrible riots, very bad. Okay, very good. Did you do well in this reading? Very good. Now let's move to the following activity. Let's move to the grammar. Good. Now, multiple choice. Take, let's say, 1 minute to answer, to fill in the blanks or to select the right answer. 1 minute only, please. Go ahead. We have 5 sentences with blanks. So as I told you, this is a preparation for the final, which will be on the 12th of in June anyway. I think the 12th, I remember. Yeah, 12th of June. So your exam will to have only 48 hours before submitting your final exam. So be ready for that. Okay, and also this is a preparation for the next course, inshallah. So I think things are going to be somehow similar. Now, answer these, please. Are you done? 48 hours. So normally, yeah, it will be the 12th, and you'll give your papers back on the 14th. So it'll be 2 days. Okay, so 48 hours. Okay, are you done? So what about the first then? Yes, 4 tests. You always revise 4 tests. You always revise for tests. Okay, do you agree? Let's check. Always revise for tests. So this is a piece of advice. Always revise for tests. Okay, good. Number 2, I blank with children. D. Okay, very good. I like working with children. Perfect. Number 3, in the UK, school compulsory after 16. So which one? A, it isn't. School, it isn't. No, school isn't. Already we have school already. We don't need to use another pronoun, another subject. So it isn't compulsory. What does the word compulsory mean? Give me a word in English that has the same meaning as compulsory. Necessary, or we have the word obligatory. Compulsory يعني إلزامي. Okay, إلزامي. Number 4, at university, you for your life. Yes, you responsible for your life. Okay, you are responsible. It must be the verb to be. You are responsible for your life. The answer is C. The answer is C. Very good. 5, there, permanent rivers in the south. Permanent rivers in the south. B, no, there aren't any. There aren't any permanent. So there aren't, and you use any when you use a negative form. Okay, permanent means what? For example, the Nile River is a permanent river. Permanent means it flows all the year round. يعني النهر يتدفق كامل السنة. However, there are rivers that are seasonal. يعني seasonal موسمي. So when it rains, the river comes up. When there's no rain, you find no river. Okay, so permanent means rivers that flow all over the year. Okay, full mark on any mistakes? Did you do well? Okay, shall we move? Okay, very good, not bad. Now, a bit more challenging task. So التمرين هذا أصعب شوي, but don't worry, I will give you options on the following task. But I would like you to predict the missing words. Remember, we saw this in class. Okay, I would like you to predict. يعني ايش predict؟ predict يعني ايش؟ اتوقع. Very good. So from the context, try to find a word that suits each blank. So take 2 minutes. Don't precipitate. ما تستعجلون. حاولوا تخمنوا الكلمة اللي ممكن تجي في كل فراغ. Okay, but don't worry. As I told you in the following slide, I will give you the same exercise, but with the alternatives. I will give you the words and you put the words in the right blanks. Okay, but for the time being, predict the words. Okay, go ahead. 2 minutes. One minute left. If you need more time, let me know. Okay, thumbs up. Do you need more time, or are you done? Done. Very good. Now let's start with number 1. You want to have a manual job or a clerical job? Would you want? Yeah. Oops, sorry. Oops. So you made your own predictions, all right? Now let's move to this now. I need to wait. I need to check your answers first. I won't write anything here. The first one you told me, do. The second one, the new manager has the what? To speak 3 languages. Number 2. Yes, very good. Number 3, people can change. Okay. Application forms. Okay. Perfect. Several managers interview candidates. The company needs, okay, several opinions. Okay. All right. Very good. The new company is trying. The company is trying to what? All right. Very good. To hire. Right. Very good. Chef or commis chef. All right. Work 3 to 6 months in each section to gain experience in every area. Okay. Okay. Good answers. Perfect. Once someone leaves a job, do not always replace that post. The company, yeah, very good answers. Of course, we can accept many possibilities. Okay, very good. Now, right, these are some, so your answers are correct, but let's fill in the blanks now. Yeah, so the first one, do, perfect. The second one, the new manager has the answer was correct earlier, the ability to speak 3 languages. Very good, perfect. People can change. People can't change, yes, their personality easily. Perfect. Application forms sent to candidates. You said earlier were or are, both are correct. Even were is correct. All right. Are or were depends on the tense that in which you are talking. Several managers, right? Interview candidates as the company needs several opinions. Well, because, all right, both are correct. Because or as, all right. 6, please. The new company is trying. You said hire. It's correct as well. Very good. Another word. Yes, perfect, perfect. Recruit or hire. Okay, ممتاز, ممتاز, ما شاء الله. Number 7, chefs or commis chefs. Work 3 to 6 months in each section. Trainee chefs, okay. Also some, your answer was also correct. I cannot deny it. But now we talk about trainee chefs also, or commis chefs who work 3 to 6 months in each section to gain experience. You get the point here? These are new recruits, new chefs, new commis chefs, those who help chefs in restaurants. Okay, so that's why I need to go to from one section to another في المطعم. ليش الخبرة. So these are called trainee chefs. Okay. Now last one. Once someone leaves a job, employees do not always replace that post. Yes, perfect. Well done. Another exercise. Different tastes. هذا نوعية أخرى. إيش المطلوب هنا؟ Write the correct form of the words in brackets. So be patient with me. حضرت لكم مراجعة دسمة شوي. So صبرا معي, لكن we are going to cover a lot of things. Inshallah, by the end of this, we are going to be, this will benefit you a lot. Okay, and now ايش المطلوب هنا؟ We have words between brackets, بين قوسين على اليمين. You need to put them in the right form. All right, when you talk about form, means what? What does the word form mean? What does the word form mean? Yes, صيغة. Yes, can be a noun, can be an adjective, adverb, it depends. All right, very good. Let's take 2 minutes. Are 2 minutes enough for you? Yes, go ahead now. Stopwatch is on. 2 minutes, please. Go ahead. Good luck. هني أهم شيء المعنى يكون متطابق. الكلمة تغيروا صيغتها تكون متطابقة مع المعنى. Of course, mind your spelling. نركزوا على بعد spelling. طلعوا الصيغة والspelling مهم جدا. So we have here vocabulary, we have grammar, we have writing, and reading, comprehension, everything together here, right? Hold on for a while, please. Yeah. Just don't write anything, please. Just wait for others. Very good. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Done. Very good. Perfect. Good job. Now, let's start. So your friend has gone already. Yeah, the sun shines on the water and the liquid heats up. Perfect. So why ايش الزمان استخدمناه هني? Wait, hold on please. ايش الزمان اللي استخدمناه هني? The first one. Present. Why? Why it's the simple present? Why? ليش استخدمنا المضارع البسيط هني؟ Because it's a, I need one word. Yeah, real. Very good. In reality, it's a fact. Yes, it's a fact. So نتحدث على الحقيقة. إذا that's why استخدمنا المضارع. The sun shines on the water. في يصير. And the liquid heats up. Perfect. The second one. A city on the coast. يعني إيش coast? Bahrain is an island, so most of the villages and cities are on the coast. هو الساحل. So a city on the coast is, yes, very good, cooler. Yes, this is a comparative. Cooler. ممتاز. Perfect. Perfect. Number 3, Mount Everest and K2, so these are 2 mountains, are mountains in the world. Yes. Yes. highest. لكن الثانية منال في خطأ. بالنسبة سهام, yes, there's a missing word. must be the highest. The highest. Yes, very good. لازم تكون التي اتش اي لازم تكون موجودة اللي هي نفس الألف واللام. So صيغة التفضيل. The highest mountains in the world. Very good. Number 4. Research means, yes, information books. Yes, means finding. Perfect. ما شاء الله. Finding information books or on the internet. Finding. ايش صيغة الكلمة هني؟ Finding. What's the form here? Do you remember? What's the form of finding? Is it the present? Are you sure? Siyam, are you sure? Remember, نذكره في الثيم number 1. This is my hint. Yeah, I know it's ing, لكن تذكروا theme رقم 1. Theme number 1. This is not a present. It's what? I give you another chance. Remember, something close to the present continuous, but it's not present continuous. It's what? Oh, okay, no problem. It's starts with a G. It's the gerund. Do you remember this? The gerund. The gerund, of course. Yes, very good. The gerund is treated as a noun. Yes, very good. Now, number 5. 4 containers of the same size. Yes, very good. We add an ing, turn into gerund. It is treated as a noun. 4 containers of the same size for the experiment. Number 5. 4 containers. يعني containers. ايش معناتها كلمة container? What is a container? For example, حاويات. ممتاز. حاويات. 4 containers of the same size for the experiment. ممتاز. ما شاء الله. Yeah. All right. Are needed. This is the passive voice. Very good. Imagine the person in the laboratory. So the researcher needs these 4 containers. So 4 containers of the same size are needed. Perfect. Now, good. Number 6. Good transporting. Yes. Yes, containers. لكن تحط على laboratory اللي هي حاوية أو آنية معينة لوضع liquid, for example. Okay. Yes, very good. Number 6. Good is very important in a large organization. Yes. ممتاز. Communication. Perfect. ما شاء الله. Mind the spelling. Spelling دققوا بعد في spelling. ممتاز. Number 7. Last one. Means having key skills for the workplace. No. You're close, but this is not the answer, I'm afraid. Give it a try. Another try. Shall I give you a hint? You're close. You're close. Not this, Aisha. Okay, you're close. I'll give you a hint. For example, today, if you want to have a good job, you need to be, means you need to have the skills. So, you're close. Now, this is the answer. Employable. Do you remember the word employable? Yes, employable means having key skills. Okay, for the workplace. Very good. Well done. Check your spelling. Are you done? Shall we move to the following slide? Is it clear? Okay. Now, Good. Multiple choice. Take this one is easy. 1 minute. Go ahead. Choose the right answer. Multiple choice. Multiple choice is another skill. It can be confusing. You need to select the right answer. Ten seconds. If you need more time, let me know. I'd not like to put you under pressure. ما أحب أضغط عليكم ترى. إذا تحتاجون وقت زيادة قولوا لي. Don't be shy, please. أهم شيء الاستفادة. Let me know when you are done. Done. Good. The first one then. Blank for tests and examinations. Yep. Always prepare. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Always prepare for tests and examinations. Yes. Number 2. I on my own. Okay. D. Okay. I enjoy to living. Or enjoy living. Which one? Yes. B. I enjoy living. Yes. On my own. Right. ايش معناتها on my own؟ لوحدي بروحي. نعم. Very good. Number 3. In the UK, classes were blank and secondary, very large in secondary schools. C. Yes, aren't very large. Perfect. At university, your life. Okay. No, you must manage. You must manage. All right, you must manage. Very good. Last one. There, water in the desert region. There aren't. Okay. Are you sure? Let's check. There isn't any. Why A is wrong? ليش الA خاطئة؟ ليش aren't any cannot be considered as the correct answer? ممتاز. Very good. It is uncountable noun. ممتاز. Alright, so water بحتسب دائما uncountable. اسم غير معدود لذلك يعامل معاملة المفرد. It is considered as singular. Very good. Perfect. Now, you're done with this. Shall we move to the following one? Now, write one word in each space. It needs a bit of thinking here, but it's easy. Take 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Write one word in each space. أكيد لازم تركزوا التركيز تفهموا المعنى and of course to choose the right word. It's very important. Comprehension is very important at this stage. You are at this university, comprehension is so important. It's not a matter of guessing, it's a matter of understanding and knowing what to do. This is my point. Okay, you're good. Less than 1 minute. Done? Okay, let's do it. The first one. Okay, all right. I can see many good answers. Do children leave school in your country? All right, both are correct. Again, do is correct. Should children leave school in your country at 16? All right, or do children leave school? Both are correct. Do is correct as well. Number two. Number two, I don't watch sport on television. So as I told you, just not this one. Also, you can write do as well. Do is correct. Okay, so don't worry. Now, the second one, I don't watch sport. Number three, yes. Last week letters were sent to all the candidates. Number four, okay. The company wants many candidates. All right. The job is advertised in many newspapers as. So, do you remember this? So and because. What does so? Yes. So it is used for what? And the relation cause and effect. Cause and effect. The company wants many candidates. So what happens? Yes, very good. Result. ممتاز. Number 5. رقم 5. Places near the equator are much hotter. Places close to the poles. يعني ايش equator؟ ممتاز. Then, yes. يعني ايش equator? Do you know, are you familiar with this word, with this noun, equator? Equator, you know, there are imaginary lines, okay, on Earth. So just it is a horizontal line that divides the Earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. This is called the equator. The places close to the equator are so hot. Okay, we have the poles. The North Pole. Pole يعني ايش؟ The North Pole and the South Pole is very cold. ممتاز ما شاء الله. الاكويتر هو خط الاستواء. والبولز هما القطبين، القطب الشمالي والقطب الجنوبي. So that's why places near the equator normally are much hotter than places close to the poles. Poles قصدنا the North Pole and the South Pole. Number 6, the children become better educated. Number 6. Any idea? Okay, I'll give an answer. Because attendance, okay. Because attendance goes up. Because, yes, very good. As long attendance goes up, children become better educated. Okay, attendance goes up, so the children become better educated. All right, very good. Are you done with this? Shall you move? Good. Now, the same thing. Write the correct form. Write the correct form. Again, الصيغة. شفت هنا مركزين شوي على الصيغة والspelling. It's very important. Okay, I would like you to master the language so that you can use the right words and using the right forms. Okay, so take 1 minute for this exercise. So go ahead. Okay. 20 seconds.